Kulay nga day siya ko pan malway na BBS College hani dan lang bat
dari hun lingkoy iwan na po ka BBS College
ting so tanat hin namang iyo ban learn kini experience pangki film pangki story jong ngi kham tam bangin la ba ngi ring iyo experience ma ko bangin nang ban ya lang ni karya ngi la ka no ris ni pat no
na kalian yo bidan yang katham ban rum hapo kanika agno kanika film industries
hoi kadani ka thong khandiat ba namar ba habangi pe kini ki film mo ka ai chung mun toy shisha yingi kum ki khun samlaru but komi ki khamtam mo ki ka kam ka cham ngim yo la dangi ni yo I komi kini mo ka shibun yo ka chung mun toy ban ai nuk salang Kiwei ki khun samlama
ang so komen cibun bakal awan kum kanikala ndai man kapod dan betang siya kita ki state ki bahe kesutanat mta sipo bakal awan hakan state chang
ladang yo kum kanikalat mo ban one page ban sakhi kani te ngakan tiulang kenyi ki khun samla baro bakin la ban yeshi mentalang kum kini ki film industries te kandian ngo ong ipi iwi baro ba ngin ya persang ban ya sakhilang kum kini ki chat
nang mangila ban ki mangiru namar kham tam ngi menta ka khasi jangi la sangkia ki kam film ki la sangkia ting kan tu ik samla bal khoi ba kani rolong kalat ko biang na ka menta ban stanga karya jangki
It's been a wonderful experience to come here at the first ever Meghalaya International Film Festival, and I hope that a commander invites us here again next year when it will be bigger and you'll have a larger audience. It's great to see so many people come here all through the day to watch films and also be a part of different panel discussions, and I find Meghalaya and the people out here extremely warm, beautiful smiles, beautiful people, great cuisine, and I feel that people from different parts of India should come here during the film festival to celebrate films and the culture of Meghalaya. Congratulations to all the volunteers and everyone making this festival such a great success, and once again congratulations to Commander for having taken the initiative to make this wonderful festival such a beautiful experience for all of us. Thank you.
Hi everyone, we are mass
from
media
the mass
students.
Media Department of St. Anthony's College, and we just are done with the screening of Kachithi, directed by Simi Khongtiang, and it was a film that was wonderfully shot. The cinematography was really nice, and the actors, ma'am who was playing the role of the girl, and Darika who couldn't be here, but everything was spot on, and it kept us thinking as to why, like, even though we transitioned from the period of letters to digital media, the stories forever remain the same. So it's on us to keep the culture alive and keep the stories alive. Thank you so much.
We could actually witness the growth of films in Meghalaya. This place, this land is wonderful, it's beautiful, and I am glad to see people making use of it in the proper way. As media students, this is Mayank and it's me Abhinav. As media students, what I would like to say is this place is wonderful, and the fact that films are being made in here, it's something legendary that is starting right here. So I would like to say that Bollywood is not the only place, Mumbai is not the only place, Shillong has its own beauty. Please come and check it out, and you could at least get good films out of here, and with great minds you could get great films too.
And wherever the media goes, stay true to your culture, represent Shillong on the big map, and not just Tollywood, even we can bring Oscars. Thank you so much.
But one subsim college na mokorwat baning kong yo sngeu nang ne oi yo be ni bena po social media nangta hadin pat ni sayo jingte po college yo ba kadon kan festival na du khalsau du khapraterik yo naling ba kino hikai jungi ki badai kinong pe jungi te hoi tangkatai ni te ba ta bakala dei ka ta international festival te kata ka vibes kay bang yo be kolong be ba ya ban interact lang bat Kiwei judgment real ki yo ni laban kenduk lang de ki celebrities kum nin Adil Hussein badai guest of honor nangta hoi ni la ban khamta me kini ki film ba ki wan ni na Kiwei ki riru hoi ni ki long experience jing long ba hoi ni sing tanat
ta ka kerteng jonga ga de daya risalang nang khai ga de na mokorwan Yuan hang ni nak college Singap Sim College. Yuan hang ni ba kumba ngi layu jing tip ba I commander Sang Pliang ilawan haka college jongi haka singi banchua kan tebut. Ilawan berpentip ilawan khot subhai ngi bangin wan syakanika International Film Festival. Ti ngi ru da ka jing kemen mo ngi yo ya kanika lat bangin wan ban ya participate lang hakanika jaka kanu ngi dap da ka jing kemen ya dan hang ni khat khandai ngut baru nak Singap Im College Iwan ban ya pet kai ya ki aktor aktris kamtam nyim jiwan menu ru ketika first time jongi bagi wan pet ya kenika festival dia nak kalian jongang dan ai ban keren dai ketika jeng mentohi yang ladangi nang bat pendon kam tanggup tah ngala dan bentahi kendiat ha ka film jong ibas imli ka bagar tengka film khawa anonsor te hang tu nga akum ki student hang di ru ngawan kum ki student ni tangatai kajing kenduk jongi gitu tikalong kajing penslur kan yang ikum ki samla jong ka Meghalaya bangin yok bentalang ha Kiwei pat ki film ba ngiru ni kentu lang ki para samla ba pin chimentalang kum ki ni ki jat khnang ba pin kiu ya ka sap ka jong phi lada pidon ka sap kentiu ya la ka jong ka sap tangkum tai kajing kerpat jonga kum ka student hima ngaruk ngadai ka student tinga kerpat hi yak baru ki student bakin lada kidon ka sap kum kini ban ak ka film te shim yaki but like audition kamtam kidon kibun chat me ki audition kum actor actress te ki dancer but kiwei te lech phang kan ni ka audition ba phin yo shibun kijing hikai but kijing mentor.
Hi, today is my second day at the Meghalaya International Film Festival. We had lovely panel discussions, and I wish the entire festival great success. And I'm sure a lot of people are interacting with one another, filmmakers, musicians, writers, directors. It's a fertile ground for all the talent to meet each other, one another, and look at producing possible local stories. And I definitely would be happy to come back again and look for local stories and perhaps even make one over here. So look forward to coming back to Meghalaya again.